The Jet JWL 1015VS delivers comprehensive turning capability through powerful 1/2 horsepower motor providing 3 variable speed ranges 200 to 1050, 300 to 1750, and 600 to 3600 revolutions per minute, enabling granular control across all turning applications. This professional-grade mini-lathe features 10-inch swing capacity combined with impressive 15.5-inch distance between centers, accommodating diverse projects from detail work through substantial spindles. The improved tensioning system enables rapid belt access and simplified speed changes without requiring tools or complex procedures. The wider cast iron bed ways provide enhanced rigidity and stability, minimizing vibration and maintaining exceptional turning accuracy. We share by links in description box. The integrated 24-position indexing enables fluting, spiraling, and decorative applications requiring precision angular positioning. The tailstock featuring live center ensures smooth, reliable support during extended turning operations. The 115-volt single-phase operation integrates seamlessly with standard household electrical systems. The comprehensive included accessories encompass live center, spur center, supporting hardware, and documentation. The 10-inch swing-over bed combined with 7.3-inch swing-over tool rest base provides working flexibility. The MT2 spindle and tailstock tapers ensure broad compatibility with aftermarket accessories, expanding capabilities. The 3/8-inch spindle bore accommodates standard lathe tools and accessories. The straightforward assembly enables rapid operational readiness. The exceptional value combining 1/2 horsepower motor, 3-speed ranges, integrated indexing, improved tensioning, and professional engineering establishes this lathe as outstanding choice for beginning enthusiasts and advancing professionals seeking feature-packed performance.